Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get pet lead and pet name Reroller item in Grow a Garden. Okay, let's get into it guys. And for your information, the pet lead and pet name Reroller are the new items in Grow a Garden. And if you want to unlock the items, you need to increase your friendship level with the NPC. You need to have level 3 to unlock new tire. Okay, I'm going to show you the X shop. Okay, and if you want to unlock tire 2 and buy the pet name Reroller and pet lead, you need to be at level 3, and you can increase the level by feeding the NPC with the food you have cooked up. And you just need to click on feed here, and it has cooldown time, and the cooldown time is 24 hours. So I recommend you to feed him with the transcendent food or prismatic food I mean. And then you just need to buy the pet lead and the pet roller right here, and I'm going to show you the ability. Okay, and you can use the pet name Reroller to pick a new random name for your pet, and you can make your pet follow you for 10 seconds using the pet lead. And I think it's not that useful, but if you have a lot of shekels, you can try to buy all these items just for fun. Okay guys, and that's all the video for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.